Do you know how Pythons use operators? Don't worry, let us start, okay? First, operators. An operators is a special symbol that is used to perform operations on values or variables. Okay? Operator just like a symbols to perform a specific task in Python code. Okay? And Python operation. Look like this. Okay? A equal 10, B equal 5, C equal A plus B, and this symbol equal and plus, these are operators. Okay, these are operators perform a specific task. Add, plus sign, add this two values. Okay, and A and B and C, this is a operands. Okay, and plus and equal sign, this is operators. And combination of operands and operators called expression. Okay, expression. And types. Okay, here are some major types: arithmetic operators, relation operators, logical, assignment, trinity, and membership. These are major operators are we used. Okay, and check first arithmetic operators. These are symbols: plus, minus, multiply, division, modulus, and others. Okay, I will check and let's a practical. Okay, and first arithmetic operators I will check. Okay, and just one. A contain 6. Okay, and B. Okay, B contain 2, and print A plus B. These are arithmetic operators. Okay, we will use. And A minus B. Okay, and print A multiply B, and print A divide B. Print A modulus. Okay, I will check modulus sign. B is a modulus. Okay, and print and I will check exponent sign. Okay, exponent, yes, exponent. Okay, this is exponent sign. Print A. This is a floor division. Yes, floor division sign. Okay, yes, this addition, add 8 minus 4, multiplication 12, and division is 3, like this. And modulus. Okay, modulus is a remainder. Okay, so remainder is 0, and this is power, and 6 power 2, and that 6. Okay, and comparison operator, it's compare two values. Okay, like greater than, less than, these are symbols. Equal to and not equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, these are symbol to use. Okay, and it's compare two values like this. I copy these two values and apply. Print A greater than b. Okay, apply all symbols. Okay, and just 1 minute, copy this all and change signs. Okay, equal to it gives true and false values. Okay, and is equal to greater than equal to. Okay, and delete and run, check, and this. Okay, first, a greater, yes, true. Okay, second, a less, not, false. Okay, it takes the values true and false. Okay, and this is equal, not, false. A less, not. Okay, and a is greater, yes, true. Okay, this work, this perform these operations. Okay, and next is logical operators, use and or not. Okay, let's practical. Okay, and okay. Mm, and a contain the true value, sorry, true, net, just true. Okay, and b contain the false value. And I will check a and b contain same value, and print a or not. Sorry, not me dana, b. Print not b, and this, and check and explain properly. Okay, yes, first false and true and true. Okay, this first and contain the only true values. A contain true and b contain true, the result is true. Okay, so and contain the only true values, so result is true, but it's contain only false value, so result is false. But or, okay, or contain only true and false value. Okay, but at least one value is true. Okay, so result is true, but not is opposite, like b is false and result is true. Okay, it's containing values wise. Okay, and a variable contain the false, result is true, it's opposite, b. Okay, and okay, and next, assignment operator. Okay, and assignment operator, this is the symbols equal, plus, equal, minus, equal, and I will understand. Let us practical. A contain 6. Okay, this is assignment operator, means 6 assign the a. Okay, and next, same a plus. Okay, a plus with assign 8. It means a contain the 6, so 6 plus 8, 14. Yes, so 14 assign the a. Okay, okay, yes. first uh, actually first add and next assign. Okay, and a minus assign. Okay, first minus and next assign. Okay, and print a, check which values are contained. Yes, 8. So 6 6 plus 8 14, 40 minus 6, of course. Sorry, 8. Okay, and check. Yes, this is most important. Just 2 points, 2 operators. Okay, first identity is and not symbols, and membership is in not in. Okay, and use first, and let's practical. Just A contain 10 and B contain 10 and print. Okay, and check A. Okay, A is B, and just print A not, sorry, A is not B, and just result true and false. Yes, true, because A contain 10, B contain 10, so A is B is same. Okay, and false is not the same, opposite. Okay, and just next membership. Yes, most important. I will create list. Okay, and list contain some numbers like 1 2 3 4 5 6 and this, and print and check 2 in list. Okay, 2 in list. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, 2. Okay, because 2 is exist in the list. Okay, and next check 11 is false, because 11 is not exist. Okay, and operator is okay. And next chapter. Oh, yes, operator precedence. So then operator precedence define the order. Okay, define the orders in which operators are evaluated, means which calculate first, which calculate last. Okay, like this, this 10 plus 5 multiply 2, so which precedence is high, of course, which multiply. Yes, multiplies precedence is high, so 5 multiply 2, which result, just print. Okay, not be, just print result. Result 25 plus 5 multiply 2 and print result. Okay, and check with, yes, 20, because first multiply and last addition. Okay, multiplies 10 at 10 plus 10 20. Okay, this is the precedence, which value is high and which operator is high, which operators is low. Okay, this is a list. Okay, and okay, brackets, precedence is high, and is the associate movie, right, left to right. Okay, and unity operators, plus plus minus minus, second high, and it's a suite right to left. Okay, right to left, and this, okay, and this. Okay, it's complete. Please, you can read this slide, okay, perfectly. And in the next video we will learn, okay.